What is going on, YouTube? What is going on, collectors? Welcome to another episode of Comic Card Checklist. And for this episode, we're going to be doing these cards. They are called HRO. I'm not familiar with them, and this will be the first time I will be handling them. I'm not sure what are in the set or anything about these. But I do have, I think, somewhat somewhat of a whole set, minus like legendary cards. But again, as I don't know or never touched these, I'm not really sure what these HRO cards are. But it looks like there's chapters. So let me unwrap the boxes. And of course I just got the boxes, but they are not packs in there. There are complete sets in there. Because it looks like I think there's like 100 card set depending on some of the cards, but it looks like chapter 2 is Black Adam. Unlock the multiverse, and I'm not really sure how the HRO works, because the H is supposed to be for hybrid NFT trading cards, so I guess they have a physical card and then a digital card, I'm assuming, that you could redeem. I'm only familiar with Upper Deck EPAC, and EPAC works a little bit differently than, well, I don't know how this one works, so I guess once I figure it out, I will do an episode and let you guys know how that works. But let me see if I could find some more information. So it looks like the odds per tier for Plo Pack, 40% common, 26.8 uncommon. And then I guess there's a superior, which is 16.72%, and then an epic, 13.54, and then legendary. So I have the full set, all the way up to legendary, and the mythic are the only ones I don't have. But I'm not sure what the composition of these are, but it seems like each pack has 5 DC cards in it. So 24 times 5, I think that's 120. And 2 Black Adam limited edition cards. So this came out in 2022, it seems. So let's open it up and see what we got inside. So like I said, we have complete sets already, and this is definitely not what you would find in a box. Inside a box you would find, of course, 24 packs of 5 cards each pack, and not a complete set like this. But let's see. So it looks like we have chapter 2 is Black Adam. It looks like this is Cyclone, and I think Cyclone is from the Black Adam movie. But looks like, I wonder if you scan these and then you could open an account, scan these, and then you'll have access to these cards. I'm not really sure. If you guys know how these HRO cards work, let me know. Looks like all the cards just have a scan in the back. I guess I won't show you guys the scans in the back, because I'm not really sure what happens if you scan them, but I guess I don't want to lose a mythic card if there's or legendary cards here if it could get stolen. I'm not sure what's going on, but I don't see any numbers. So yeah, I'm not sure what's what, but it looks like the art are from the Black Adam movie. So you got Black Adam in the Justice Society, you got Cyclone, Hawkman, Dr. Fate, and the Atom. The team. Okay. So I don't know what type of cards these are. These might be the common. Contact compositions, lightning strikes, hierarchy of power, Atom Smasher, Justice Society, Black Adam. These might be the rarer cards. It looks like Hawkman's emblem and it has a rainbow foil to it. Cyclone's emblem, Black Adam, Justice Society of America. Looks like we have all 5 of them here with Black Adam and the Justice Society. I got a solo of Cyclone, Dr. Fate, Black Adam, Atom Smasher, Hawkman, Black Adam. Then we got Hawkman again, Black Adam, Dr. Fate. It looks like Cyclone with rainbow foil effect. You have one in the middle and then 2 like black and white in the back. And then you have like a whole team here. Then solo of Dr. Fate, Hawkman, and The Rock's Black Adam, Atom Smasher. This looks like Cyclone. These ones look like comic versions of the characters. We got Hawkman, Atom Smasher, Black Adam, Dr. Polaris. I don't recognize. I don't know if they were in the movie. Clarion. I don't think these characters were in the movie. Vandal Savage, Toyman. This might be a different card set, maybe. So there is more information. It says DC and WBEI S22. Maybe if we log into the HRO website, maybe it will tell us exactly like what set this is or what number it is, so we could have it in order. I'm not really sure what's going on here, but we got the Atom, Ray Palmer, Stargirl, and Stripe. I think there was a TV show with Stargirl. Green Lantern, Hal Jordan, Shazam. Yeah, this feels like it might be from a different set, and not the Black Adam set. So we got Static, Raven, and this looks like more comic book. So we got Ragman, Damian Wayne Robin, Green Arrow, and then Crime Alley. This looks like locations. We got the Daily Planet, Themyscira. I forgot how you pronounce that word or that location. We got Justice League Satellite, Lighthouse of Amnesty Bay, Wayne Manor, House of Mystery. We got the Watchtower Headquarters, The Fortress of Solitude. Showcase. It has a year, number 22, 1959. Green Lantern, Batman, Justice League of America, All-Star Comics. So this might be like from the past. Detective Comics. So these look like, you know, the older comic book versions. But yeah, I'm super unfamiliar with all of these. Then we have Justice League number 23, Trinity War. This looks like they all might connect together. Maybe. Oh yeah, it does. I just have to... It starts from here. There you go. So it's like a triptych. And you pretty much have all of Justice League fighting this thing right here. Not really sure what else I could decipher from this, but I guess we'll move on to our next batch. And yeah, I can't tell you guys much because I don't know much about this HRO set, and there's no numbering. There's just the date 2022, and then, you know, some of them have wordings. They all appear to be green in the back, so maybe that's how you know it's from one set and not another set, maybe. But yeah, I'm not sure, because maybe that's just like how every card is. But I guess we'll move on and see if I could figure more things out. Because that one might be the Black Adam, and then this one might be different. But it looks like it's all the same green bottoms. But this one is Superman, and it looks like they're pencils. So this is another subset. Joker, Poison Ivy, Catwoman, Batman, Batgirl. The pencils actually looks pretty nice. Harley Quinn, Superman and the Legion of Superheroes, Justice League of America. And then, oh, these are pencils. And then it changes to inks for this one. Okay, I guess it's drawn in pen. If that's... Then we have John Diggle Civilian, Harley Bullock Civilians, Jimmy Olsen, Agatha Zerbatas, don't know who that is. Princess Diana, Optimus Kira, Wonder Woman, Alter Ego. Okay, Kara Zor-El, Supergirl. Hartley Radaway, Pied Piper, Alter Ego. Batgirl is Barbara Gordon. Then we have Vivid Moments with Guy Gardner becomes a Red Lantern. Superman reforms the Justice League. Okay. Orm fights the Justice League. Aquaman attacks Superman. Bruce Wayne's clone journeys through the desert. Kryptonite Man possesses Batman. I do not know who Kryptonite Man is. Okay. Batman versus the Mutant Leader. Ooh, Wonder Woman and Superman embrace. I think they're more than embracing in that one. Wonder Woman is crowned champion. Power battery. Power of the lantern. We got objects here. Um, This is more like weapons, I guess. Trident of Poseidon, or Bat Signal, Invisible Jet, Kryptonite, iconic symbols, Lex Luthor, Martian Manhunter, the Cheetah. The Cheetah looks like she has a Wolverine's claws. Red Tornado, Blue Beetle, Firestorm, Robin, Nightwing, Truth, Justice, and Better Tomorrow, Superman. This is a job for Lex Luthor. Iconic phrases. We know team up. We must do nothing to save Superman and Batman. Because I think that's how Bizarro talks. Gone, gone. The form of man. Rise, the demon, Etrigan. Okay. Joker just laughing. Okay. I wonder if that's all still part of the set from Chapter 2 for Black Adam. But it looks like we have Chapter 3 here. Unlock the multiverse of Shazam. And it looks like it's a different version. Oh, did I miss this? Get the HRO app and scan the unique QR codes to redeem your digital NFT twins. Okay. I wonder if they're redeemed already, or if you could do multiple redemption. But I have a feeling once it's redeemed already, that's it. No more redeeming it. Let's see what's on this one. Oh, we forgot to look at the... So this one has hollow cards at approximately... Epic is 1 every 1.2 packs, Legendary is 1 every 6 packs, and Mythic is 1 every 281 packs. So this was 2023, so I guess it's a lot newer. I think I saw Chapter 6 already. I'm not sure if it's... I think it's HRO also in GameStop. So I'm not really sure if everything is related, but I'm assuming Chapter 5 is what's current right now at GameStop. So, but this one has also 24 packs, and each pack features 5 DC Unlock the Multiverse cards and 2 Shazam Fury of the Gods limited edition movie cards. Okay. So perhaps it'll be like the Black Adam one, where we saw a whole bunch of... Did we see Black Adam cards? But we definitely saw movie cards from Black Adam movie, and I'm assuming we'll see Shazam cards from the Shazam movies. I'm not sure which one, because there's 2. It's probably the first one. But I guess let's finish up with this set and figure out like what else we have. Oh, these ones looks pretty nice. So these are team ups. The Forever People, don't know who they are. Red Lantern Corps. All right, this must be like the epic cards or the so we probably saw common, uncommon, with superior, epic. This could be the legendary or epic. I guess depends how many we get. New Gods, Metal Men, Justice League Dark, Birds of Prey, and we have page 5 of JLA Justice number 9. This looks pretty nice. This might be Shazam already, because that looks like Grog. And is he wearing a yellow lantern ring? I'm not sure. Batman Earth 52. So multiverse character. All-Star Superman, Dark Knight Batman, Flashpoint Batman Thomas Wayne, and then we have Ocean Master versus Aquaman, Batman versus Joker. These holofoils are pretty nice. I'm really liking these holofoils. We got Shiva versus Nightwing. And they call the epic battles head-to-head. Flash versus Tar Pit. He looks like Clayface. Steve Trevor versus Killer Frost. Okay. Then we have Superman versus Wraith. Is that like Doomsday or Darkseid? I can't really tell. The Flash. These looks nice. Supergirl. Yeah, I love the holofoil effect. You got Lex Luthor with a suit, Dr. Light, Ravager, Sinestro, Simon Bass, Green Lantern. Not familiar with that character. We got Cyborg. So yeah, I can't tell what is what because nothing is labeled. But I'm assuming maybe if I go to the HRO website, I'll be able to figure them out, and then I could let you guys know. But yeah, as far as just opening these up, I don't know anything. And this one seems to be Lex Luthor in the Justice League, DC selfie moments. And this is a really big card. So it's probably like double the size of a regular card. A little bit smaller. But let's put it there. This one's might be the Miracle or DC selfie set. Okay. Alfred Pennyworth. That's not Batman. Superman. I guess they're all taking a selfie. Wonder Woman. Teen Titans. Not familiar with this Teen Titan team. I guess that's Robin or Nightwing. Who is the one that could transform? Something Boy. I'm blanking out. Is that Killer Frost? Canary, maybe? Or is that Wonder Woman? I don't really know. We got Supergirl, Stargirl, and I don't know who this one is. Okay. Aquaman and Diver. More selfie moments, but these are from random fan. An Alien. Agent 37. Jimmy Olsen. I almost thought that was the Ben 10. I forgot what you call that Ben 10 weapon. The Animatrix or something like that. Catwoman taking selfie with cats. Batgirl. Superman and Wonder Woman. Robin and Batman. Green Lanterns. Earth 2, Green Lantern, and the Flash. Flash and Superman. Oh, beating Superman in a race. So, yeah, not sure if that was chapter 2 or chapter 3. But we're about to find out what's included in chapter 3 for Shazam. And we got this. this, and I guess I'll try to separate them. I'll put the Shazam ones on this side and the Black Adam one on this side. But yeah, I definitely have to visit the website to figure out what's what, because I'm so confused right now. But it looks like there's a whole bunch of subsets, and I can't tell what's legendary, what's mythic, what's common and uncommon. But I'm assuming the common ones are just the ones that looks regular, and of course the foils are always like more rare. But these have green backs also, so it looks like everything has the green thing at the bottom. So, but this is team ups again. Sinestro Corps, Huntress and Power Girl, Kyle Rayner and Guy Gardner, Dove, Catwoman and Batman, Green Lantern and the Flash. Then we have page 6 of Justice number 9. Okay. So I'm assuming this is page 9. And all the panels are pretty much Justice League versus Grog. Then we have multiverse characters. We have Jay Garrick, Superwoman, Earth 3, okay. Batman Earth 44 looks like it's powered by something. Batman Earth 12 looks like it's a medieval Batman. Then we have Head to Head again, and this one is Red Hood versus Deathstroke. Deathstorm versus Captain Cold. Darkseid versus Wonder Woman. Ooh, what kind of sword does she have there? Batman versus Green Lantern. Gordanian versus Starfire. Not sure what the Gordanian is. White Canary versus Black Canary. Then we have Shazam characters. I guess this is Shazam. Calypso. So yeah, this is from the movie. Hespera. Billy Batson. It's like the movie, but it's still in comic book style. But we got Reverse Flash, Green Arrow, Stargirl, Hawkman, Robin, Damian Wayne. I was about to say Damian Priest for some reason, the wrestler in WWE. Batgirl, Barbara Gordon, Bane, and Black Manta. Yeah, those looks like they're the more rare cards, and I guess this is the base cards. So yeah, I think we're looking at the complete set for chapter 2 and chapter 3 minus mythical cards, as what I'm assuming is what we're looking at here. So we got Vivid Moments, President Luthor, Return of the Multiverse, ooh, Wonder Woman Flies the Invisible Plane, Lex Luthor Calls for Superman, yo Superman. We got Darkseid Apotheosis. I don't know how to read that word. Batman the Joker Laugh Together. That looks like the Killing. I forgot what anime. Actually, it's not anime. It's It's an anime or cartoon, but it's The Killing Joke is, I think, the title. We got Attack of the Black Lantern Corps, Convergence, Superman versus Shazam, Cosmic Treadmill, Mobius Chair, Batplane, The Interceptor, Batcave Giant Penny, okay. Captain Cold. I guess these are iconic symbols. We got Dark Side. Is it Dark Seed or Dark Side? I think I like to pronounce it Dark Side. We got Penguin, the Joker, Poison Ivy, okay, Harley Quinn, Catwoman, Wonder Girl. I think of every reason there is to live. Mothers and sisters and gorillas and cake flying. I don't think I've ever heard Wonder Woman say that. That's the whole point of a boomerang, right? You throw it away and it comes right back. I think he used that quote actually. Dexter, not clue who that is, but I think it's part of the lantern, one of the Lantern Corps. No matter how bad things get, something good is out there just over the horizon. Ooh, this is old school Joker. If I'm going to have a past, I prefer it to be multiple choice. Haha. Then we have pencils. Looks like Wonder Woman, Green Arrow. I feel like I've seen these arts before actually. Superman, Batman, Bane, Aquaman, Batman, Green Lantern. So it looks like we're having the same subsets, like the head-to-head, the inks, the pencils, legends, and then Felicity Smoke, civilians, Lois Lane, Patty Spivot, James Gordon. I'm not sure if they tap off of the Arrowverse or if they just tap off from the movies, but considering it looked like they have Arrow included here, so Dick Grayson. It looks like the Arrowverse is included here along with the DC movies, so. And then let's see what we have next. We are down to 2 packs. And this one might be the Shazam movies. Shazam, Magic, Realm of the Gods, Fury of the Gods. Okay, I think they have... So they might have both 1 and 2 combined. So it looks like it, because you have Fury of the Gods here, so... And this is definitely the second one. Crime Fighters, Power of Shazam. We Are Family. Wisdom of Solomon, Strength of Hercules, Stamina of Atlas, Power of Zeus, Courage of Achilles, Speed of Mercury. I think they had a other version too where it's Egyptian gods or something like that. I can't remember. Or was it Roman gods? But this is definitely like the Greek gods, so. Wait, Wisdom of Solomon. What's that? A Greek god? Shazam. Superhero Checklist. We Are the Power. Support local heroes. Kick butt. Today's To Do. We got Pedro Pena. Mary Bromfield. Freddie Freeman. Eugene Choi. Darla Dudley. Megan Thee Stallion. Forgot her name. Megan Good. She's one of my favorite actresses, so I'm like, why am I forgetting her name all of a sudden? We got Billy Batson, Pedro Pena, Mary Bloomfield. So the first one was like cartoon version, so this one is like the movie version. The top, the Cheetah, Brainiac, Bizarro, Amazo. Ooh, one of my favorite characters is Amazo. I don't think he's really a villain, but Amazo is supposed to be able to scan any character's powers, and he could use it for himself, and he could combine all of the powers that he scans. And yeah, until he scans everybody's, and then he was just like OP. So Cobra, Captain Boomerang, Granny Goodness. And I think in the storyline, he leaves like after, let's say, like episode 10, and then he comes back at like episode like 50 or something like that, but he's like golden now, and then he doesn't know what to do with himself because he's got all this power, and he's just, I guess he's confused that I like, hey, what else do I do? Like, I've gotten everything that I've needed. So the Riddler, Donna Troy, of course, this Power Girl, or Wonder Girl. Yeah, she's in Teen Titans, and I've seen the Teen Titans TV series and the Teen Titans the cartoon. So the TV series is definitely darker than the than the cartoon, but Mr. Terrific, this is Mr. Terrific is part of Green Arrow's crew. Yeah, I think he's also like attacked like Felicia Smoke, and with Digger, Dig. Shoot, I forgot his name. I haven't watched Arrow in a while, but Arrow had like 7 seasons. I think I've seen like most of it. I don't know if I saw the last season, but there was like a multiverse crossover in the TV shows, and Arrow ends up dying. So I'm not sure, but I didn't finish. I can't remember what happened in Arrow. So because they merged with, I think it was like 5 or 6 different ones. You had Arrow, you had Flash, you had the Days of Tomorrow. I can't even remember the name. It's the one where they could travel to different timelines. Days of I don't know why I'm blanking out. Like I can't remember at all. But they're the group that travels through time, and some of them are from Arrow. From Arrow, I think White Canary, is that her name? Yeah, I can't remember because it's a lot of information. But what's that? I said Arrow, Flash, Superwoman. Um, wow, I used to know all of these, but now that I've seen so many other things, like I can't remember all of the Arrowverse. Uh, yeah, I'm blanking out. That's all I could remember. But maybe as we go through this, I'll remember some more. John Constantine, Nightwing, Batwing, Wonder Girl, Mount Olympus, Star Labs. Definitely Star Labs is, I think, Flash got him. Um oh yeah, that's right. Batgirl is also part of it. But I don't think Gotham was part of it, but I can't be sure. I never saw Gotham, so that's probably one of the shows I've missed out of all the Arrowverse. But yeah, definitely Batgirl had like 3 seasons, I think. Rogues, Safe House, Bell Reed Penitentiary, Hall of Doom, The Red Room, Hub City. So if Flash was there, there has to be a Superman also, I think. Um, yeah, I'm starting to mix up all the characters because they combine a whole bunch of characters and everything is just mixing up. But the Flash and the Green Arrow had the most seasons. Oh, I think I remember the title. Legends of Tomorrow is the name of the group I was talking about earlier that I couldn't remember. I think their name is Legends of Tomorrow. I kept wanting to say Guardians of the Galaxy for some reason. Um, but yeah, and Legends of Tomorrow had, I think, 3 seasons. Then yeah, you had your Superwoman and then Batgirl. So that's how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's another one, but I just can't remember it off the top of my head because it's been so long since I've watched any Arrowverse. Showcase, Kingdom Come, Arkham Asylum, Justice League, Batman. And I think, yeah, we've seen this one. So this is our final one. And Dawn of DC set. So this might be a different set altogether. I don't know if it's part of what chapter it's part of. But it looks like Dawn of DC. It looks like it's a connecting one. Okay. Yeah, Green Lantern, and I'm gonna assume this is Hal Jordan, John Stewart, and I have no clue who Joe Mullion is. But it looks like it all connects together, so. Or maybe not. Maybe it's the other way around. Yeah, there you go. So it connects. It's a triptych. Then we have Aquaman, Shazam, the Captain Marvel, but of course there's a Captain Marvel in Marvel and they got sued for it, so they can't use Captain Marvel anymore. Hawkgirl, Green Arrow, Power Girl, Batgirl, Black Canary, Supergirl, Kara Danvers or Kara Zor-El, Damian Wayne, Robin, Steel, Kid Flash, and Aquaman. And I think that is it. And we have covered, that would be the whole set for Chapter 2 and Chapter 3 of the DC HRO set. And of course, minus the mythicals, which they're one in every 280 packs, like I think we saw. So, but anyway, that will be it for this episode. As always, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye.